Hi, my name is Jay Sean Pearson, and today I'm going to teach you how to fakie heel flip. The first step you need to learn learning how to fakie heel flip, you need to learn how to fakie ollie first. So this is what that look like. The second trick you need to learn how to do, you need to learn how to heel flip. And the next step you want to learn how to do, you want to learn how to tweak the board this way, going back the opposite way of you going backwards. So if you tweak the board going the opposite way when you're performing a heel flip, it'll cause the board to heel flip correctly, like that. So this is what that look like. If you tweak the board going the opposite way when you're going fakie, it'll allow the board to do this motion like that, but also it'll do that motion as well as it's flipping at the same time. So if you do that, you will do a fakie heel flip the right way. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you won't miss out on videos like this every week. And if you like this video, a like, and don't forget to share it with somebody else that needs it. Catch you in the next one.